Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One. And volume control button we can find at the top of your speaker. So right here, near to the pass button, we have volume down button, would have a minus icon, and volume up button would have a plus icon. And all you need to have is just press at the volume up button to increase the volume. You can also press and hold. And to lower the volume, you need to use volume down button, and you press on it or also press and hold. Now let me show it for you, that if you connect your speaker with your phone, you can also check it at your phone. And now I just increase it. Oh, just give me a second. And right here, as you can see, I use volume down button. Now let me press and hold, and I increase it. Now volume down button, and also at this region we can see that I lower the volume. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!